Okay guys, so we are going to practice reading some of the short A words on this poster. I'm going to use my little arrow cursor that you can see moving around right now and put it under the colored dots. So do you see the picture of the bat at the top? If I go above the bat, there's a green dot, yellow dot, red dot. Green means go, that's where we start. Yellow means slow down, and the red means stop. That's the end of the word. So when I sound out the word for this picture, bat, I'm going to start with the B and go B, at. Try that again. B, at, bat. Okay, that's how you would sound out bat. Let's go beside it to hat and go to the green dot and start with the H. It says so at, hat. Okay, let's go beside hat to this little girl. She looks sad. We go right above her hair. Here's the word sad, and we will say add, sad, like that. Let's go down to the middle of the page here. Do you see the picture of the fan? Let's sound out fan. Let's go down below it to the green dot by the F, and we say fan, fan, fan. Do you see how to do that? Let's go here beside. You see the picture of the map? Let's sound out map. Start with the M at the green dot and go app, app, map. Do you see how to do that? Let's go down here to the rat. The word rat is right underneath the picture. We start at the green dot and we say at, rat. Just like that. And then we've got one more picture down here at the bottom. This is a van, van. So the word right above it, see the green dot? Let's start at the letter V and we say an, van. Okay? I want you to practice reading all of the words on this paper, just like I showed you, and record your voice so I can hear you doing it too. I want you to go back up to the top, start with bat, and I want you to say b, at, bat. And I want you to go to hat and go at, hat. Then go to sad and go add, sad. That's how I want you to do each of the words on this page. Practice reading them starting at the green dot for go, then the yellow dot for the vowel to slow down, and then stop at the red dot. That tells you where to stop sounding out that word. Do that for me, please. Record your voice, and I can't wait to hear you reading your short A words. All right, get started. Good luck.